Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all into this section of philosophy and life. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist, so you are highly welcome. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri ọwụrụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
So, sir, before we proceed with today's question, is there anything else we wish to say to our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world. I'm only under the influence of my voice. Please keep sharing our messages. Keep telling people about our administrations.
So, don't you think you may face challenges convincing some ordinary practitioners that what you are doing is not the same as Christianity?
Thank you for that wonderful question. But let me remind you, our mission is not limited to ordinary adherents. No. Our mission is to Umibo and in Africa. So for general public. So our mission is for ihe ọbụla na-ekume mmadụ ọbụla dị ndụ na ndị dị ndụ. It's not limited to ndị ọdịnala. However, ndị ọdịnala ị na-refer to bụ dependent n'ebe onye mmadebere. Enwere ihe dịka Christian method ma ọ bụ ọdịnala method. What is constant is change. I can tell you without missing words that when Danyari first came to this Africa, they used to build old pattern houses. In fact, I was even told that some parishes started under mud houses and the Unata. It's as civilization keep progressing. However, the lower modern times, are you not seeing those ancient churches here in the olden days? Is it the same pattern they are doing now? So things keep revolving. What is constant is remain constant change. So even Christianity you are referring, modern houses they are building today, is it the ones they are building when they really came? It's modern technology. So Igbo spirituality will not remain the same. Even the attire they are wearing those days, what they are wearing today is more beautiful. So it's not all about everything have to be changed. Even Christianity, some people are so backward because they expect our forefathers, our present day people, ordinary practitioners, to still living in outdated houses, which is no longer suiting the modern day reality. So nothing like copying, even book writers. Those old written books was written in American English. You can't even be able to read them. Those thou and all those things. But they have modern English that is so simple to read. So are you now saying that book writers should continue all those using old format? The way we address letter today is no longer the way it used to be in olden days. So who is emulating who? What I can tell you that when you hear a copy, it's modern reality that determines the things are gonna add up. Even in dishes, the way we cook food nowadays, adding spices, is it the way they cook food during the time of our forefathers? Is it the same thing? What are they talking about? The way we sew clothes today is different from olden days. So what I'm telling you, I'm a reformer. I believe in a system and the way of worship. No way of worship is cast on stone. So we believe that we keep on updating. Whatever we see that is no longer possible, we remove it. The same thing, that is why even in laws, it's still subject to amendment. So the mode of operandi of ordinary worshiping should be changing from time to time to suit modern day reality. So we are not copying anybody. Thank you.
Considering that many within Ordinala don't fully understand the importance of giving for propagation, unlike in Christianity, don't you think it might be difficult to get support from them?
Yeah, our mission is not limited to Ordinana people. The mindset of newly converted people to Ordinana is wrong. So we are trying to rebuild it and integrate them, reorient them, for them to know, understand that now during the time of our forefathers, nothing is even free. Even in Freetown, nothing is free. Nothing is free in creation. Let me give you an example. We don't understand that Chukwu okike ihe niile n'ụwa wee nye mmadụ for free ka o biri n'elu ụwa. Mana ụfọdụ ihe abụrụ free. Chukwu okike that, okay, let me give you an example. Do breathe in. You receive from the mercy of God. From the mercy of Chukwu, you breathe in. You breathe in oxygen. And for you to continually receiving, you must give out carbon dioxide. Then for plants and other creatures to absorb them. Then you take again. So nothing is free. If you are giving, you must give. So ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ihe ha need the orientation for them to understand. Even the time of our forefathers, some will tell you, the people of nowadays charge money. Our forefathers doesn't charge money. It's not true. Let me explain, because you don't understand how things work. My grandfather was a herbalist. Ọ na-esiri ọgwụ ịbịa ka ịbịa buru ọgwụ na bie, ị ga-eji ụfọdụ ihe wee bịa, ị ga-eji ọjị bịa, ị ga-eji nkwụ wee bịa, si ya nna anyị nee onenecha ọ bụrụ ihe ọ ga-eme, o wee gwa gị oke na ya ga-esiri gị ọgwụ ụbọchị dị etu a gị bịa, i werekwa ụfọ adị agba aka afụ nwata eze n'ọnụ, ijirikwa ihe aka ururu wee bịa, ma ọ bụ nọọsụ gị wetara ya nnekwu ọcha ma ọ bụ oke ọkpa ọcha, ma ọ bụ sị weta nka ma ọ weta nka, ọ gwaghị ihe ndị ga-eweta iwere ya bịa, ọ sịghị ọrụ chazielu gị ọrụ gị bịa ije ekene. Ọnya kpatara ndị dibịa ji eme ihe a na-akpọ ime agwụ. Gịnị wụ ime agwụ? Ime agwụ bụ mgbe a na-atụ anya na ndị niile agwụ ya nyere aka ha wee nweta nke a ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ ga-abịa for gratitude. Ị ghọtara ya? Mgbe ahụ when we are living in the same community. So ụbọchị m na-eme agwụ, atụrụ m anya na ndị niile agwụ m mere ihe ga-abịa nye ekene. Mana today, we are no longer living in secular state. Etu anyị si ebigbo, a na-apụzi ọrụ oyibo. How can you expect someone in US that na nna arụrụ ya ọrụ, ma somebody nọ na Abuja na arụrụ ya ọrụ? So ọrụ mgbe m ji eme agwụ na iwu na ọ ga-esi America felu bịa wee bịara m mmemme agwụ ma onye na Abuja na ọ ya bịara m? No. So what they normally do is that mgbe onye a na-akpụ isi akpụ afụ ọnụ, o nwere ike mgbe ị na-achaji onye a n'ọrụ, itinye what will make you to be happy doing the work, tinye a little bit allowance, so that ọ bụgoro na onye ahụ abịarọzi subsequently bịanye special thanksgiving, you are not holding any grudges against the person. The person have done ihe gị na-ekwuru. Onye abatara mgbe ị na-achaji mmadụ, egwu ya ihe ọ ga-abụ enye gị, obi adịghị mma, gota materials, nwekwazie gị eji wee mesara aka na charge na na charge. So the same thing, were ụdọ ma ya ewu na were ewu ma ya ụdọ bụ the same thing. Ndị nna anyị ha lụrụ ụlọ based on their own time, ihe na-ewu mgbe a. Ọ bụrụ na ya grand own father alụtara ụlọ, my own grandfather lụtara ụlọ based on ihe na-ewu mgbe anwa, because my grandfather bụ a wine tapper na-alụ dibịa. O nwere ego na-enyekwu ndị mmadụ loan. So gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? O nwere ka ị ga-esi wee pụta si na ndị mgbe a dara ogbenye. Is not true. O nwere some wealthy people na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ that those days no like 7 wives. They are rich men. So stop ịgwa ụmụ ịda akpọdo history chinana. So nwere ihe dịka na-adị enye kịta akụ ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ ụtọ da ha ghọtara ọdịnala ọfụma, ha na-eche eki na si na they believe si na ndị ọdịnala mgbe a dara ogbenye. Onye gwara ihe a na-eyuzu mgbe a bụ ihe no invoke that time. So ihe m na-ekwu bụ onye nwere agwụ bụ onye nwere agwụ, weda ma ọ na-alụ asị pastọ, ọ na-alụ asị fada, ọ na-alụ asị dibịa. Kama ihe m na-ekwu bụ onye ọbụla na-alụ ọrụ agwụ nọ n'ihu ọrịa na-alụ ọrụ akpọrọ ya, onwe ihe a ya emeri esi ma erie o ji akwụnye nchi maka nchi ya dị arị elu. So ihe m na-ekwu bụ ọ bụrụ na onye nwere agwụ wụ pastọ na-agba moto, onye nwekwara agwụ bụ dibịa ya gba ọkwụọ moto, maka na ihe onye lụtara So ụfọdụ ndị ọdịnala nwere negative concept na ha ama donate maka evangelization. They are all gotten it wrong because agbara aka atụ ihe na-ata alụ. Ọ bụghị ha na chọrọ propagation, you must spend money. So ụfọdụ ndị ọdịnala should learn. Ụfọdụ n'ime anyị amalugo ọnya batara nji wee nwee my channel Eziokwu TV ji bụrụ only channel, satellite channel ọdịnala. Yes, because I'm the power of propagating. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịgbasa ozi ọdịnala, you will be ready to spend money iji gbasa ozi maka na ndị a butere ụka anyarị spend kwara ego, and not because na na-akọwara ha over and over time ha mata uru ọbala we donate. So I believe kwara m na etu anyị na-propagate mara dịka m na-propagate na-agwa ndị mmadụ the importance of giving, because givers never lack. Then with time most of them will understand, but my administration, propagation administration is not limited to ndị ọdịnala. It's for general public.
Will your administration also focus on training those who are called?
Yes, we are already planning that. Currently, we have some trend that pass through our mentorship currently in the temple. However, we have larger mission to build bigger school for the Aborolo Agazu Ozunozo Chiche. Like currently, we have a large land we bought in Enugu State where we build place of worship, where we build Eze-Ana and even hospital and rest of them. So we have large vision. So our vision is that we can train on them, Monday on our research institute, whereby Ghana have Basari here, Basanum Brogan and Pai here. Do up Taifan or Wagi, you and us on them, madam. So our mission, Buna, I can train on them, madam. No, they did teach.
Is almsgiving and charity part of your vision?
Yes, almsgiving and charity is part of the vision. In fact, it's a part of the vision of any called one. Because in what they keep up almsgiving and charity from called ones. I won't even really this empathy of help when they if not in need. And problem all about health challenge or spiritual challenge. He don't need the physical challenge. So he will create a loan to everybody good at support to ya when something doing. So it's all about talent hunting. So we help people to develop their calling and their strength and gift. Dan ka bụ funke bụ na-achọ ka nkọwa bụ na ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ matacha ihe ndị mmadụ nwere ị na-enye aka onwe ndị ga-abịa problem ọ bụrụ nni when they ga-abịa ọ bụrụ na ihe ha need to seed money if you will start up their business and whatever you help them. So our administration we have a department known and called Ugochitubelu Foundation. Under foundation, believe in me, we have people that are schooling under our care up to secondary school. Yes, and we keep on accommodating more. Then we still have all the less privileged included to even the widows and everything. So we keep accommodating more people based on available resources. So, but what I can tell you is that whenever we charge you for work, we put some little money for charity. Because some of you will ask me where will I normally get money to finance those things. What we normally do is that once we charge you, there is a little percentage we take from that money to help you do for charity. Because we know that most of you don't value charity. So know that whenever we are doing work for you, little money from it goes to evangelism. Yes, it's there from there we get money to support Eziokwu TV. Then some percentage go for charity. That is why. So we are trying to manage available resources to help propagate and help the charity on behalf of anyone we are working for. Thank you.